Hey Long Beach State, big changes are coming to campus. The University Student Union will be transformed into a modern, welcoming space designed to take every student's campus experience to the next level. The USU is the heart of campus life. It's where students study, relax, grab food, and connect with others. But as Long Beach State grows, so do the needs of the campus community. The renovation will create a bigger, better USU, ensuring the campus grows along with its students. Construction kicks off April 14th, 2025, with ADA enhancements to the Friendship Walk stairs. Then in August 2025, the full renovation will be underway. Essential services like study spaces, dining, and events will still be available, just in different locations across campus. The importance of USU services to student life is clear, so everything needed will remain accessible during the transition. The Beach Pantry will move to student health services, continuing to provide essential items like food and toiletries. The Esports Lounge is leveling up and moving to the first floor of the library. ASI services and resources will relocate to Peterson Hall 1 or Faculty Offices 5, keeping everything centralized and easy to find. No matter where these services are located, our commitment to providing the same level of service and support remains unchanged. Dining options will also adapt to fit students' needs. Kitchen trailers, food up pop-ups, food trucks, vending machines, the farmers market, and the College of Business coffee box will ensure there are plenty of convenient options available. Don't know where you'll sit? The second floor of the bookstore will be revamped, and familiar seating areas will be moved across campus to provide students comfortable spaces to gather and unwind. This project is driven by students, staff, and campus leaders, working together to ensure a smooth transition and that the new USU meets the needs of future generations. Together, the campus community is building legacy and creating tomorrow, today.